In this video, I'll show you how to combine and reorder PDF pages using Adobe Acrobat. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a couple of PDFs here. This one, I'll just open it up. It's just a document and all that. And then I've got this other one right here. So, my assumption is, let's assume this is your intro and then you've got a couple of things going on, but you like to combine both PDFs and then reorganize the pages so that we can have maybe this particular initial slide in the other one and so on and so forth. So what do you need to do? I'm going to use Adobe Acrobat, and from the default homepage, I'll come up to menu and then click on Combine Files. Once I do that, I'll get this new window where I can add files by clicking the button or drag and drop them. I'll just click on Add Files and navigate to the folder with the two files I want to combine. Let's click on Open. So the first step is combining the files. So we've got this first one has 3 pages and the second one has 21 pages. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm just going to click on Combine. Once I do that, all the files will be combined. If I scroll down, you can see they've been combined, and I can actually close this a little bit, but you can actually appreciate that. I can actually even minimize the view, and you can see it's 4 of 24, and we had one with 3 pages, this one, and then the other one had 21 pages. Now let's use the All Tools menu here and click on Organize Pages, and from here you can now decide which one goes where. Let's reorder. Just left click and hold and drag. Let's assume we want this to be our initial slide. Let it go. It moves everything else down, and then this one, let's say we want it to be the next one. So that's the first one, second one, and then the initial pages that we combined are now in slide 3, 4 and 5 respectively. And that is how you can easily combine and reorder pages using Adobe Acrobat. Once you're done, always remember to click on Menu, Save As, and then you save it with whatever name. You can call it Combined and Reordered PDF, and then click on Save. And once you do that, if I navigate back to our folder, we now have a new PDF, Combined and Reordered. If I just double click on it, it's going to come up with 24 pages, the first slide, the second slide, and then we continue with the rest of the document. And the use case scenario for this is when maybe you have somebody doing a bit of work for you, or you actually did work in batches. Maybe you felt like doing this time, you did it and finished, and then you want to combine and reorder the pages so that they look as you want them to look. That's it for this video, and that is how you can combine and reorder PDF pages using Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching.